Hi, my name is Mr. Maunder and I'm the lead teacher of biology here at LAE. We follow the AQA specification. All biology specifications are broadly similar in the content that they follow. The differences are in the way that they're examined. There are 3 papers with AQA. The first one's about year 12, the second one's about year 13, and the third one is synoptic, brings together all the different ideas. It also has an essay in it. But don't be put off by that. The essay is not like writing an essay in English or politics or history. It's a much simpler exercise. The content that we will follow is the same as all A-level biology courses for good reason. The A-level has to bridge the gap between your GCSE, which is designed to create a scientifically literate population, and your degree, which for biology there's a myriad of different degrees. What we do at LAET is we have 2 separate teachers and we follow 2 different pathways through the content. One teacher will start with molecules, starting with the simplest molecules like water and building gradually to more complicated stuff like genetics, while your other teacher will start with cells and build through tissues up to organs, organ systems, and eventually we meet at populations and ecosystems. You are going to need to know your GCSE biology. You're also going to need to remember your GCSE chemistry and to some extent some of the physics too, especially to do with energy. So it's important that you're going back over that content and making sure that it's still familiar with you by the time you start your A-level. Okay, we are being reminded of our inescapable biology right now. This is the biggest sort of biology crisis that we've faced in 100 years, and you should have an awareness of what's going on. You'll be fine, but in the meantime, keep your brain active.
Hi, my name is Salma bint Crane. I study biology, chemistry, and maths at LAET, and I came from Winchport Secondary School. After my A levels, the plan is to study dentistry and hopefully become a successful dentist.
My name's Stella Collier. I did biology, chemistry, and maths, and further maths in year 12. I came from Hornsey School for Girls, and next year I'm going to Manchester to study biology.
My favourite thing about biology is probably the teaching style at LAET. It's very interactive and very fun.
Each teacher seems like they're so passionate about biology. They're constantly reading news articles and books about it, and it means that they have so much knowledge that when you go to them and ask a question about the curriculum or something off the curriculum, they can always answer it and engage with you.
The challenges I face in biology is probably applying the knowledge. Application questions are a lot harder and you have to use more of your brain than you would have done in GCSEs.
I think biology is infamous for the workload, the heavy workload, and there's lots of little details with each topic that you're going to need to memorise, and that can just be a lot because it's a lot of information.
Once you take notes in class, look at 2 or 3 different other resources and write new notes. You shouldn't just be using the notes from class. Also, when you revise a topic, give yourself a week and then try answer biology questions related to that topic, and you should just be pushing yourself to answer the hard questions, even though sometimes you're discouraged to. They are the ones that will help you and benefit you.
Biology questions have like very specific mark schemes. You'll get like marks for keywords and phrases, and a lot of the time it's repetitive. So if you're doing a lot of exam questions, you'll start to notice which repeat. So for each topic, I'd say this is the tip: actively make like a list of all the key phrases and words that commonly come up in mark schemes, because then when you're answering a question in the exam, you can identify the subject and be like aware of which keyword you're probably going to have to integrate to your answer.